today, as y'all can see, we are doing a fun hairstyle. I'm all for the fun. I'm all for the messy baby hairs. I'm all for it. I kind of want to switch it up from the flip overs, the center parts, so on and so forth. So if y'all want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. So this is the final look, something cute and fun, y'all. This is so cute. I feel like I didn't do pigtails in so long, and I kind of just wanted to like play with it without taking it so serious. As y'all can see, the baby hairs are super messy. I'm not gonna lie, I love messy baby hairs, but I like it to a certain extent, so I'm trying to like warm up to it a little bit more. Just try not to make it so perfect and just keep this hairstyle very fun, very loose, and just very like, you know, keep a personality, okay? Keep it with personality. So if y'all like this video, make sure y'all click that like button, comment down below, and let me know your thoughts on this hair texture and hairstyle. And let me know what you would do with this style, because this is giving Coachella, this is giving festival, this is giving concert, it's giving just fun summer, spring. That's what I think about. So let me know what you would do with this hair. Subscribe if you want to see more videos from moi, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, loves. much.